Hi BFFs! International Education Day, a day that reminds us that learning goes beyond our classrooms, opens our minds, and connects people together. I'm Yuan, a new face in CPAS. In celebration of this day, we will try something new. We will be going around the campus asking our fellow perpetualites a quick and basic quiz. So, paano nga ba yun? So, bubunot ang ating mga participants ng random questions from our 4 different categories, which are English, Science, Mathematics, and History. And they'll be answering those questions. And kapag tama ang sagot nila, they'll be having a prize. So, simple lang, di ba? Tara na! Let's G! What's your name and course po?
Karen po, BS Pharmacy po.
Wilson Alcaero, the third po. First year AB Communication po.
Tricia Lopio po from BS Nursing.
Kimberly Palma from BS Nursing din po.
I'm Erica Rose Padilla from College of Radiologic Technology.
And I am Asea from Radiologic Technology.
Yan. So, thank you po for accepting this quick challenge namin. So, our mechanics po is pili po kayo ng questions sa random cup po natin, which of Math, Science, English, and History. And you only have 10 seconds to answer po. And so, pili na po kayo dito ng ating questions.
Ay, ikaw na.
Bukas po natin ang questions natin. Our first question is, what force, patingin po, patingin. What force keeps us on the ground? You only have 10 seconds to answer.
Gravity force!
Gravity is correct! Isa pa ba?
Who founded
Who founded the Katipunan?
Andres Bonifacio.
Andres Bonifacio is correct! Dahil nanalo po sila sa ating question round, meron sila matatanggap na prize! Thank you po! Do you have any message?
Thank you to my family, my friends, and my admirers right there, and God for guiding us to be in this opportunity. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Lau kasi nasagot po namin yung founder ng Katipunan. Sana proud ka po sa amin.
Sana proud sila sa inyo. Thank you po! Hindi ka na ng question mo. Our first question is, what is the main source of energy on Earth? You only have 10 seconds to answer, which will start right now.
Wait lang, main source of energy. Hindi ba yung sun?
Ano pong sagot?
Sun.
Saan nga ba ang sagot? Saan nga ba ang sagot? Saan nga ang sagot? At dahil nakasagot ka ng tama, meron kang prize! Galing! G ka na ba ate? G si ate, G yan. Tignan natin ang mahibagong question ni ate. Your question is, what is the plural form of mouse? It's okay. Pili na lang po ulit tayo ng questions natin. Ay, ito. What is 8 times 12?
Kuya, wait lang. Nagpahinga na po ako sa farm kasi sagot pa ako ng math. Pass na po.
Pass na daw. Pero that's okay. So, ang mahiwagang question nila is, what is 8 times 12?
146.
Oh, hindi po yun ang tamang sagot natin. Makiki-open po ng ating question. Ayan, ang ating question ay, what is the question? What is the question? Who founded the Katipunan?
Si Andres Bonifacio.
Andres Bonifacio is correct! So, nanalo po sila sa ating tanong. Kaya naman, meron po kayong matatanggap na prizes! Iba-iba mang sagot ang pinakita ng ating fellow perpetualites, pero isa lang ang pinapakita nila, na kahit saan ay may bago kang matututunang kaalaman. At napatunayan lang natin that learning is fun and is shared with everyone.